Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, the Honorable Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri, as the supervisor for the English Economic course, and happy friends. First of all, let us express your gratitude for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given grace and guidance so that we can carry out today's lecture. First of all, introduce me to Linda Fatmasari, who will be the moderator of our group. As for the members of our group, that's 1. Hidayah Inayatus Zulfa, 2. Linda Fatmasari, 3. Nadia Ekita Ramadhani, 4. Nirmatun Noviana. The topic we will be discussing today is trade. We will discuss material about 1. Definition of international trade and trade, 2. Types of international trade, 3. Factors that cause international trade, 4. Negative and positive impact of trade.
Thanks to moderator, I will explain about trade and international trade. Definition of international trade and trade. In general, trade can be interpreted as the work of buying goods from one place or time and selling the other at another place or time to make a profit. Definition of international trade is a buying and selling activity with the intention of making a profit involving two or more countries. The benefits to be achieved are not only financial benefits, but also promotion, business competition, or other benefits. In other sources, trade is defined as the exchange of goods as service or money that is mutually beneficial, all providence benefit, and is based on the voluntary will of each party. Meanwhile, international trade can be defined as a business transaction between parties for more than one country. Examples of this business transaction are exporting product from one country to another, investing in factory construction in foreign countries, purchasing raw material from abroad, producing one part of the product abroad, producing one part of the product abroad and assembling it domestically, and borrowing funds from banks in one country to finance business operation in other countries.
Types of international trade. Number 1. Export and import. Export and import are trade activities of the types that are often carried out by all countries. There are two ways of exporting, namely ordinary export without applicable regulation and export with LC, where the goods are sent without the permission of the Trade Department. Number 2. Barter of exchange of goods is still often done in some countries. Usually the barter is direct barter, switch barter, counterpose, and buyback barter. Number 3. Consignment. Sales by shipping goods abroad where there are no specific buyers abroad. The sale can be carried out of the free market or trade exchange with auction activity. Number 4. Border crossing. Immigrants from two adjacent countries with the aim of making it easier for the resident to make buying and selling transactions with each other. Factors that cause international trade. Number 1. Information and transportation revolution is a major factor in the emergence of relations between countries in international trade. Number 2. Interdependence. A country needs for consumer goods or raw material for industry which are abruptly unavailable or relative uneconomical if they are soft products. 5. Foreign exchange needs is one of the important factors in the monetary system of each country because it will determine the financial resilience of a country.
Negative and positive impacts of trade. Number 1. Negative impacts. The negative impacts that is easy to see is the country with the importer This is, for example, A. Inhibiting the development of domestic industry. For consumers who are oriented towards imported goods, it will facilitate the domestic industry. People from importing countries become consumptive. B. Dependence on developed countries. For developing countries such as Indonesia, whose market competition is not balanced, in the end it will meet the need for higher quality imported goods. However, efforts to compete with producers who has too much government subsidies are still lacking. C. Domestic needs will be controlled by developing countries. The results of domestic small and medium enterprises will eventually die. D. Unbalanced technology developments will lead to unfair competition. Number 2. Positive impacts. The positive impacts in conducting international trade can be described as follows. A. Acquiring goods that the country itself cannot produce. B. Expand the domestic products market. C. Benefits from specialization results. D. Enjoy the transfer of modern technology.
So, the conclusion of today's material, trade is defined as the exchange of goods and services or money that is mutually beneficial or provides benefit and is based on the voluntary will of each party. Meanwhile, international trade can be defined as a business transaction between parties from more than one country. So many presentation from us. I am a representative of the group. Apologize if there are words that are not pleasing. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.